Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I'm going to talk about gas safety valve. Ts11 for Bakers Pride Part #M1557X. The gas safety valve. Ts11 for Bakers Pride Part #M1557X is a safety device designed to shut off the gas supply to a gas appliance in the event of an unsafe condition. It is typically installed between the gas supply line and the appliance and is designed to detect a variety of unsafe conditions, such as an excessive pressure buildup or a decrease in pressure. When any of these conditions are detected, the valve will automatically shut off the gas supply to prevent an explosion or other hazardous situation. The valve is designed to be fail-safe, meaning this part fixes the following symptoms. The gas safety valve. Ts11 for Bakers Pride Part #M1557X is designed to prevent gas from flowing if the pilot light goes out. It is used to ensure that the oven does not become a fire hazard due to an open flame. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the existing gas safety valve from the appliance. 3. Install the new gas safety valve. Ts11 for Bakers Pride Part #M1557X by connecting it to the appliance with a flexible gas connector and securing it with a pipe clamp. 4. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. 5. Test the operation of the safety valve by pressing down on the manual reset button located on top of the valve body and checking that it is functioning properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.